Simpson Technologies produces equipment for foundry operations, green sand, reclamation, processing, cooling, the whole gamut there. Outside of foundries, Simpson provides for different mixing applications, battery paste, antacids, and the like. So
I got to do everything electrically, from drawing schematics to bill of material, so then on the design side of it, and then programming it, and then after it's wired, it's brought over here and you got to test it out and make sure it goes to our customers without any flaws on it.
at Simpson, we design using SolidWorks. We generally use SolidWorks for all of our 3D modeling. We use Composer for our animations.
I was able to recently help develop an animation video for one of our big machines, the Simpson Proclaim, and that equipment is obviously far too big to allow all of our customers and prospective customers to come see the equipment. So with the animation video, we're able to allow our agents in England to use it, and therefore they can show and get more exposure out to the customers with that equipment, something that they would not have otherwise.
So it's kind of neat, you know, in the fact that you tailor your skill set trying to make the best product possible in anywhere you go. Especially here at Simpson, we do try to make the best product possible.
The benefit of here would be that there's a lot more flexibility with what you do. Like I said earlier, we have so many different types of machines and types of equipment, the small, the large, all that kind of stuff. So you can really find what you like to do and run with that.